Here's the look of polar bear without the Project M. They're gonna install one like that, Project M, here at 4-wheel camper. So see you guys later.
We had to wire it different for this, so that had to be done. That takes a little longer to do. And then we still have to drill the holes into these plates, you know, and then so that'll get screwed down, right?
Oh, okay.
So it'll get drilled through here into this plate, and then so we still have to do that, and then we have to do the tailgate, the tail, and we'll mount this so that it matches this basically, so this gets mounted up too.
Oh. Oh, nice. That's how it looks like inside.
Yeah, you gotta kind of look, there you go, and then push like one hand. Now you can go ahead and pop it up, lean back where it's at, just go ahead and push. That's right. Perfect. Push that until it snaps shut, that's it. And then that one you just unsnap the handle, and then push on that, and there you go, perfect. Two hands, just like that, perfect.
Oh, that's so nice.
And then once it's popped up, most people just take the bungee cords off. Because the bungee cords just bring in the side panel when you close it. Once it's up, you just take those off.
Alright.
We have powered vents, front and rear. So they have remote controls too. The Max Air fans have remote controls, so you can do it.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, or you just press on the little corner right there, there's an on and off button. If you press
The black one or
yeah, when it's
Oh.
on and off, right?
Okay.
Yep, push that and it'll automatically go up.
Oh, okay. That's great.
And then it's got
Open by itself.
automatically.
Oh,
And then it's got a plus and minus for the speed. It's got a rotation, so if you want to change the rotation, you can change the rotation.
So on the summertime it's coming out, right?
Yes.
And then on the winter time it's going
Yeah,
in.
usually, yeah. And then it's even got a rain sensor in it. Right?
Oh,
so if it's
okay.
open
Uh-huh.
and it starts to rain and gets wet, it'll automatically close. Has a rain
Oh,
sensor on it.
that's
Yeah.
cool.
It's pretty fancy, yeah. We just started putting those in probably a month ago, three weeks ago.
That's
So,
nice.
It's a much better event.
Oh, okay. That's great.
It's less hassle. Yeah. You don't have to run.
Right? And you can do it from outside, you know, to keep the remotes out closed.
That's nice.
And this one, like, what do I need to do to this?
You know, I'm gonna get Dan over here and see if so this is the plug to the truck. Here.
Oh, sorry.
There's two plugs.
Yeah.
This red one is to this battery.
Okay.
The big square one is the battery pack.
This one right here is for there's a light out here that's ran to your truck for a brake light.
So if you ever take the camper off and unplug it here, then this just goes up and then you take the whole thing out. Then if you tell them about if you want to take it out for
If you wanted to charge this, say you wanted to take this in your house and charge it, you undo this red one, and it's just easy. It just pops out like this. Undo these straps right here. Has handles, and there's a plug-in right there. That plugs into the wall in your house, wall charger, and just plug that red cord into that.
And then solar.
So this is your solar plug into your
How do I know if the solar is charging or not?
right there.
Uh-huh.
You see these two numbers right here?
Yeah.
When you have truck charging,
Uh-huh.
so when you drive your truck, the battery of your truck will charge this as well.
Okay.
And the number right here will change when you're out in the sun. The solar will charge it as well.
On this one, right?
Yes. So you'll see the number right there. And it'll go up.
Okay.
When you start the truck, the little green light on that will come on, and that means it's charging. And then what that does is, like, let's say you left everything on and you killed that battery separates. It won't allow it to stay the truck battery. It separates.
Oh, it's like what do you call that in the house? Like a
Yeah.
press.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
So it keeps it from draining the truck as well.
Instead of killing everything.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. And so it also has the fuses in here. There's a fuse little link. And you see fuses up here. Just like in your house, the trips them right there. Right? Just replace the fuses.
So if something stops.
It's just
working,
protection.
Yeah, you want to check. Yeah, and you pull on that, so it's kind of helping down. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Well, that's
That's good.
and then the lights, there's a little round circle, yeah, if you press it, if you want to dim it, like if that's too bright for you guys, if you hold your finger on it, it'll dim.
Oh, that's cool.
It's like my parking light.
Yeah.
Can I just show the inside real quick?
Yeah, heck yeah, for sure.
We got the power pack.